Good morning, YouTube. This is Jimmy Brooks here. I have had a few questions about this Reese padlock. It's a hitch lock. I don't have a key for it, and just real quick, I came by this lock because somebody run over their keys with a lawnmower. Had a really good friend who's cutting his yard, and his keys fell off the lawnmower and he run slap over, chewed them all up. I got this one and a couple of others. I got a Brinks and a M5, Master Lock M5 with no keys. First three locks I started out with. But this one, however, is just a wafer lock, and it would lock into a towing package with a long bar that would go through the receiver, and it would lock into it like that. And this thing is easy to rake open. It's a Peterson Bogota. Just stick it in there and see, it's already starting to give. It's open. Alright, another thing too about this particular padlock is it's got a two-stage locking here, one here and one here. The way this thing is designed, got a lot of slack in it. It's pretty tight right there as it's closed, but if you look down in here, it's a lot of slack right there. Take a medium-sized padlock shim, slide it through that opening like so. Trying to do this through the camera so everybody can see what I'm doing. And there's another picker. I think there's one. And there's two. Is that easy enough? There's another picker here that on YouTube that has I think he's got a few of these. That I think I've seen a video or two of them on YouTube. But anyway, that's the Reese hitch lock. Anyway, y'all have a great day.